This is an Outlinx QR Smart Stamp. At first glance, it may look like any other rubber stamp, but these simple stamps have one special power. Each one is precision manufactured with QR technology. Okay, fine, they're just rubber stamps with QR codes carved into them. But the cool thing is, every single stamp has a unique QR code. No two are exactly the same. The QR codes that these stamps create really come alive with our free mobile app, and more on that in a bit. We make large ones and small ones, and they work like any other rubber stamp. Just get yourself an ink pad. I like these Tsuki Neko ones because they have really bright, rich colors. Get some ink on the stamp and just press it onto a paper surface. The big ones and the small ones actually have different styles. Other than the size, can you see the difference? I think they look pretty dope, and they're interactive. Here's a look at the simple packaging. I even added a few instructions on the back. One thing to mention, and this might be obvious, but each stamp only has one QR. So you can only link a stamp to one Outlinx page at a time. But you can delete or replace that page or change it up whenever you want. You can stamp these onto different things like a post-it note with the week's grocery list on it, or a Valentine's Day card to give your message an extra special dimension. Or stamp one on your notebook. In case you lose it, people can actually contact you through the Outlinx QR. Our minimalist app is super simple to use. Let me show you how it works. Just open up the free Outlinx app and scan an Outlinx stamp. Just like that. Then it'll pull up whatever page the Outlinx QR is linked to. You can easily add text, images, videos, or even post comments if you're sharing an Outlinx with other people. Here's what it looks like to watch a video through the app. These are definitely a fun, unique way to connect the digital world to the things around you. Check it out. You can learn more at www.outlinx.app.